Hello viewers, welcome to Shake Inside, and this is NASDAQ 100 pre-market report. Yesterday the NASDAQ 100 experienced a significant decline and closed at 14,303, forming a bearish candle with a red real body and no lower shadow. This suggests that the bearish had a complete control over the market. The index fell 1.75% compared to the previous day. Surprisingly, other indices like S&P 500 and DJI did not experience a fall and ended with a positive bias. The NASDAQ 100 decline can be attributed to an increase in bond yield and the surprise interest rate hike by Australia and Canada. This shift in investor sentiment towards bonds, which afford more fixed income with a lower risk, has led to the concern among US market participants that the Federal Reserve may also increase interest rate following Australia and Canada. However, it is unlikely that the Fed would make such decision due to the potential negative impact on already struggling US banking sector. Despite the bearish sentiment, it is important to note that the NASDAQ 100 is technically bearish, and the balance of trade reveals a widening trade deficit, reaching a 6-month high of minus 74.6 billion. This is expected to negatively impact economic growth. Looking at global cues, European market are mixed, with London ending flat with a negative bias, while France and Germany ended with a 0.2%. The Indian market experienced a decline of 0.5%. The VIX, a measure of market volatility, is at 19.21, showing a 3.61% increase compared to the previous day. In the pre-market indicator is showing 14,330, and the future are at 14,352. Considering the technically bearishness of NASDAQ, mixed global cues, and the unfavorable economic data, it is likely that the market may trade below 14,490. However, it is worth noting that the future are showing a slight positive sign. Traders and investors should closely monitor the market for any potential shift in sentiment. Thank you for watching. Have a successful trading day.